Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today we're here in the shop with this nice classic claw pump pliers by Klein tools. This is a 7-inch version and it's part number D504-7. And as you can see, it's a nice compact little pliers here, fits good in the hand, quite adjustable. On the back side here it tells you get 0 to 40 millimeters, so you got quite a bit of reach. And you get this nice positive engagement when you find the right size here. And you got these really unique jaws that are designed for maximum leverage and torque. And what's really nice is if you get the correct size, like in this situation here, I know there's more dedicated tools, but if this happens to be all you have, when you do that, you can see you get nice positive engagement here without chewing it up with all the different teeth. And that's on kind of a straight situation. You can also use it here on situations like this, and you can see it fits into the nice V groove there nicely. You can see that. You also have a nice positive engagement on the flat side. So if you adjust it properly, you can really get perfect engagement here. So you do want to take a little time before you put it on your fastener or bit or whatever you're using. And here a lot of electricians might have this in their pouch. And here we have a connector for conduit to a box. And you can see here, these jaws really grip nicely on a nice round surface like that. And if we open it up, I believe about one more click, flip it over for the lock nut, and I believe that's my right size there. You can see we fit in here real nicely here, and it gives good positive engagement. So again, while there may be more dedicated tools for this, sometimes you're on the job, you don't have all your tools with you, but this kind of jack of all trades will help you in a lot of situations here where these could be real handy for you. So I think it's well worth having this in the tool drawer in your shop or kitchen, or maybe the tool belt or your tool container or toolbox when you're on the job. Klein Tools Classic Claw Pump Pliers. And while you're listening to this video, if you could take a minute please and subscribe and like, we'd appreciate that to help the channel grow. And if you like these pliers or not, let's leave us a remark and let's get a conversation started here.